What is up, Vlog Squad? Richard back here. Welcome to vlog. Guys, you have no idea how excited I am right now. So if you guys remember, unless you guys, this is the first video you were watching of mine, I used to have this big Nikon camera with the big Joby tripod and everything. And that was my daily vlog camera. And then it broke. Well, guys, it broke because a wire inside the camera disconnected. And I just reconnected it. And I just turned it on with new batteries, and with these old batteries that it had in there, and it worked. Just the SD card to it. That is my new daily vlog camera again. That camera has much better quality. It's bigger. Sound quality is better. I love it. And like the LCD screen. I like DSLRs better than point and shoots. I'm still using my Canon PowerShot, the camera I'm filming on right now. We're about to switch over to that one after I put batteries in, which I'm going to go do now with you guys. But this camera is not going to be like, there's somewhere where a DSLR doesn't really fit, or I can't really record in there because I'm not supposed to. I'll use the smaller camera, it's easier. I'm still using both cameras, don't worry. I'm probably going to use the DSLR more because it's, no offense, but it's better. Why am I saying no to here? Let me set this down. And it'll be a lot. I don't know how to explain this. I'm just so excited that it works right now. Like, I was gonna spend like $1,000 on a 70D with like a big Rode mic. Now that DSLR doesn't have a Rode mic. That's the only downside to it. Here, I got the 4 batteries here. But besides that, it's a great camera. I'm so excited right now, it's not even funny. Let's put these new batteries in. Alright. Oh my god, I'm so excited right now. Stand. Now I just have to put it back on the tripod after this. Ready? Moment of truth. Oh yeah, that's the only downside to it, guys. Hold on. Hold on, guys. I'll get back to you. Alright, guys. The thing that you just saw there before, that wasn't there before, so I'm gonna see if I can fix that. It might just be a malfunction. Hold on. Well, guys, it looks like I'm going to be... Oh, is it recording now? What is it? Work now? No? Oh. Guys, it works now. Hold on. Alright, guys. We are pulling some real Casey Neistat stuff up in here. It's, let's just say the LCD screen's broken. I'm gonna have to buy a new LCD screen. But it records and it works. It just comes up clear as day on there. I just can't watch it on the back. So this camera's gonna be no LCD screen, but it's still. This is gonna be hilarious, but I'm gonna use it until I can. I'm gonna see if I can go to Best Buy later and get a new LCD screen. Cause look, this. It's hilarious. There's no way this is gonna work, but I'm gonna try it, guys. I'm gonna try it. Alright, guys, so the camera records, and the zoom's broken on here. The LCD screen is obviously broken. Unfortunately, I'm back to daily vlogging with the little red camera, which I'm fine with. I got super hyped, and I can use the camera, but I can't use it for daily vlogging. That camera is going to have to be for sit-down use, time-lapse. That is what that camera is going to have to be used for. And, or I mean, yes, I could buy the big DSLR that I want with the mic and everything, which I might probably end up doing, because I've really wanted to do that for a while. it might be later in the summer that I do that. Or I might buy a cheaper DSLR that I could put a mic on. I just can't believe that just happened. I just really can't. Or I might buy the same DSLR, the same Coolpix. That's a Coolpix, a Nikon Coolpix B500. That camera up there on that DSLR. I might buy that camera again because I liked that camera. I might buy it in purple this time, or red, or black. Those are the ones that it comes in. The purple, it's not like a hot purple. It's like a dark purple. It looks sick. I'll try and find you guys a picture. Looks sick, and I can get like a purple tripod. Oh my god, that would be. Yeah, it might. It's not. Trust me, the purple's so dark. It's not like a girl purple. It's like a cool colored purple. But I am a little upset that I can't daily vlog with that camera anymore, because I really was excited. Yes, I could get the zoom fixed. Yes, I could get the LCD screen fixed. But by the time I do that, I've already spent like $300, and I could have already bought I could have already bought for the newer camera the microphone, the tripod, and the mic cover. I could for $300. I already could have bought that, and then the rest would be the camera. So I'm probably not gonna get it fixed. I'm probably just gonna, like I said, use it for sit down. It's a little unfortunate, but hey, this is gonna be a great title and thumbnail. That I can't believe it works. That it works. I fixed that the LCD screen for it to like actually turn on again and record. Because before this is better than it was before. Before wouldn't even turn on, guys. Like wouldn't turn on. Camera's fully charged. Wouldn't turn on. LCD screen was pitch black if I tried to turn it on or anything. This is better. So I'm glad I got this out of it than nothing. Yes, it's unfortunate. It happens. I mean, it also sat around. That the zoom could be broken. The zoom is never broken. The zoom could be broken because it sat around for 7 months doing nothing on my table in the exact same spot. It took a couple falls, not when I wasn't using it, but when I daily vlogged with it. You gotta remember, you are rough on these cameras. If you're not rough on them, you're not gonna get the shot. So I can understand why it's like that, but it's alright. It's cool. It's funny that I still have it. I am actually going to put this camera on this tripod and just keep it on that tripod, because if I'm not daily vlogging with it, I don't need this big joby. So let's attach this. Alright guys, listen.
Crab. Crab, 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 crab. Krusty Krab is on there. Mr. Krabs is in there. Standing at the concession.
How do you feel about this?
Plotting his oppression. Mr. Krabs is on there. Krusty Krab is on there. Standing at the concession. Plotting his oppression. Krusty Krab
I like this song.
is the pizza excellent.
Shout out to Tanner Barngart, who like made this song kind of popular basically because of his vlogs.
Is the pizza excellent.
Alright guys, is next day. Camera obviously is still messed up, obviously. I'm not gonna spoil anything. You'll see in the next vlog. I have that all on this SD card already. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Vlog on. Roll the outro.